What's going on, my fellow marine inquisitors? Because we're gonna use words like that, because why not? But what's going on? My name is Josh. I'm one of the educators here at Cornell Cooperative Extension Marine Program, located right in Southfield, New York. I work specifically on the Long Island Shellfish Restoration Project, growing all the algae we use to feed all of our baby shellfish. So we all thought, you know, in this time of crisis, in quarantine, I'm sure everybody is going out of their minds being home all the time, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? We thought it would be kind of fun to show the day in the life of what goes on here at our hatchery. So just because, you know, everything's going on, we have millions of tiny little siphons that we have to feed. So we have to make sure very responsibly that we keep everything running and going. So I hope you'll follow us and follow me on this fun adventure. And if you like this video, press a like, and if you want to see even more, press a follow and stay up on everything. So hope to see you guys around soon.